Hello and welcome to Saurav's classes. Today we are discussing the subjective part of the ISI Bstat paper which was conducted yesterday. The first question says that there are three cities, each of which has exactly the same number of citizens, say n. Every citizen in each city has exactly a total of n plus 1 friends in the other two cities. Show that there exists three people, one from each city, such that they are friends, assuming that friendship is mutual. Now let us assume that the cities are represented by these three circles A, B and C, and let us say we divide the people in city B into two parts such that there are x number of people in one part and n minus x number of people in the other part. The total number of people is n, and I divide the city C, people of city C, into two parts. Now how will I divide that is, I pick one person from city A and let him be friends with all the x people in city B, and therefore this person needs to have total of n plus 1 friends. So which means that he needs n plus 1 minus x number of people from city C to be friends with. So let that number of people be out here. So that means he is friends with this entire group. So now the question is whether there would be at least one person from x who is friend with at least one person from n plus 1 minus x in city C. So that would establish that there is at least one triangle existing between A, B, C, which means at least three people, one from each city, such that they are friends. So now to prove this, let us assume that none of these x people in city B are friends with any of these people in city C, n plus 1 minus x. So if that is the case, then the number of people on the other side in city C would be x minus 1, because the total has to be n. So that means the people in city B who are part of this group X will be friends with this group, so that they need so suppose any one of them out here is friends with x minus 1 number of people out here, so he will need another n plus 1 minus x minus 1, which is n minus x plus 2 number of friends from city A. So that means he will have a total of n minus x plus 2 people from city A who would be friends with him. Now out of that, one is already this person. So that means leaving aside this person, there should be n minus x plus 1 number of friends that he needs to have in city A. So which means now if I put the value of x as equal to 1, then there is one person out here who is friends with one person with this person, and there are no person here, so he can't have any friends in city C. So he needs to have a total of n plus 1 friends apart from this person. He needs to have n plus 1 friends, apart from this person, he needs to have n friends in city A. So the total number of friends he needs to have in city A is n. When x is equal to 1, this becomes n plus 1 which is not possible. So when x is equal to 1, the assumption that the group out here will have no friends in this group cannot be sustained, because there is no person left in this group, and therefore he needs to have n plus 1 friends from city A, but the total number of people in city A is only n. So therefore he needs to have at least one friend out here. So which means there has to be at least one triangle between A, B and C.